Alright, the song I'll teach today is a song by Donell Jones. It's called Don't Call My Crib. It's not an actual song, where it was not a full-length song until I think 2012. It was towards the end of a song called Think About It. Alright, and I think the reason why he didn't make it a full song is because the chord progression of Think About It and Don't Call My Crib are practically the same, except they're just a half step apart. Okay, so I'll teach you guys the chords. There's only 3 chords in it, and again I'll show you guys how to play Think About It after. It's the exact same progression, just a full step up. Okay, so the intro starts off like this. So that is A flat minor 11. Okay. All right. So this is A flat minor 7 typically, right? What you do is this note right here on the 4th fret, you move it up to the 2nd fret. That's what makes it a minor 11. So, and then you hammer it, repeatedly. And then you got a D flat minor 7, or a C sharp minor 7, whichever way you want to call it. Okay. So that's how the intro goes, and then it goes into the chorus, and it's A flat minor 11. And then a E flat minor 7, so all the way to the 6th fret. Okay. And then back to the 4th fret and play a D flat minor 7. Okay. And that's practically the song. Now, if you guys, if your preference is to use sharps instead of flats, then it's a G sharp minor 11, and then a D sharp minor 7, and then a C sharp minor 7. Okay, and that's the song. So it goes like this. Why you be calling me, pressuring me? You know I live with my girl. So the C sharp minor 7 or the D flat minor 7, he plays it twice, and then he goes back to the A flat minor 11. You can't be flipping G. And then when he plays the E flat minor 7, he typically, it slides from the D flat minor 7, so it goes like that. Before it goes back to the D flat minor 7. Okay, and that's all there is to it. She was more than enough. Got my number off of caller ID, and that's where I went wrong. And I should have been calling those for home. Okay, so that's the song, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you want to play Don't Call My Crib, Think About It, which is the actual song, you just move everything up a full step. So instead of A flat minor 11, you have an A minor 11, right? Sorry. Right. And then instead of E flat minor 7, you got an actual E minor 7. Instead of D flat minor 7, you got a D flat. You got a D minor 7. Okay, so think about it. Why don't you? And that's it. All right. Have fun.